In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a personalized signature in marketing emails in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into the marketing and locate email options. Once you're in there, choose where you want the email to appear. Let's head over and then edit right here this email. Now, once you're under the email tab, just scroll down where you want the email to appear. For example, right here under this one. Now, head over and then search for personalized options right here, such as structures or whatever you want. So, for example, since you want it to appear just below this, head over and then click onto this search and try to search right here for signature or personalize. You can head over and add modules as well as sections if you want. So you can just proceed and select a contact property and add any custom text or images for your actual signature. With that, you can save and send this email once you're done. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.